Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to export your transactions and financial history from eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started joining the eToro by clicking the join eToro option. That's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally using the login button. So once you've logged in, you are going to be greeted by the home page, from where at the left side of the screen you're going to be able to find all the settings for investing and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to export our trades and history. So as you can see here, we have an article on how to export our trades from eToro. So basically what we're going to do is sign into eToro. Then we're going to go to the portfolio tab. The portfolio tab is going to appear right here on the left side of the screen. As you can see on this picture right here, this is going to be your menu. One of the options is going to be called portfolio. Once you click on your portfolio, click on my portfolio, then click on history. It's going to look like this. You can open up the history tab and then click on the rightmost button in the top right corner and click on account statement. You can open up your account statements from right here and then select a date range from the beginning of your portfolio that you want to create for, and finally click on the XLS icon in the top right corner to download the account statement. This is going to enable you to export it and download it and use it in Excel and similar files and tools, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.